An MT4 invalid account error occurs when a trader cannot log in to the MetaTrader platform. This is due to maybe a wrong login credential, such as an incorrect password or username, or a server name, or maybe a non-activated account, or closure of CFD and forex due to holiday time. The market is closed during weekends or holidays. Invalid MT4 account errors can be easily fixed if the trader types the proper login credentials in during work trading sessions when the market is not closed, and checks if his account is enabled. Sometimes the account is not activated. Invalid account MT4 app problems can be fixed in the same way as on the desktop. The same goes for the MT5 platform. MT5 invalid account errors mean that you have either the wrong password, wrong server IP address, or that you're using an old MT5 app. Usually the incorrect username or password is the most common error. Do not forget to subscribe.